Today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely cornmeal porridge with coconut milk, sweetened with condensed milk. Look at this. This is almost a glass of coconut milk. You can get coconut milk to buy at any local shop supermarket. Right here we have half cups of cornmeal, and I'm gonna pour the coconut milk straight inside of it like this. Then next what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a little bit of milk, same amount like the coconut milk, and pour it straight inside of this like this. Lovely. So I'm gonna show you how to make your Jamaican cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. Give it a nice lovely whisk like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply rinse out the glass with a little bit more of the milk. As you can see exactly. So just rinse out my glass right here. Pour straight in like that. Lovely. So as I can see. And next, this is Chef Ricardo's secret recipe with the Jamaican cornmeal porridge. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla inside of it. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon. And also a pinch of mixed spice. Just a little pinch. That's very strong. And a pinch of nutmeg. Give it a whisk. As you can see exactly what I'm gonna do, is gonna pop a little bit more cornmeal in it. Not too much. And I'm using fine cornmeal. This recipe, you didn't like to know, guys. I saw someone making it and I said to myself, you know what, I must share the fun with this. So as you can see exactly what's going on right there. I'm just gonna put a little bit more coconut milk in it. That's alright. Give it a next stir. And you can get coconut milk to buy at any local shop. The beauty is that you can use your favorite coconut milk where you like to use, and your favorite milk. If you can use like the Ola milk, you can use your kind of milk where you like to use. So basically you can use a half cups of cornmeal and half cups of coconut milk, and also half cups of Ola milk, and mix it up like this. So as you can see, add all of your spices, and now look what we're gonna do. Lovely. So the most important thing what you like to see is the water start to boil. Roughly I have 2 large glasses of water inside of a pot, and now I'm gonna add in my ingredients, which I just mix up like this. Lovely and nice. Simply give it a stir. So we're gonna keep stirring it until it gets to cook. Just gonna simply scrape out my rest inside of it like this. All of the ingredients is together. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna get cooked and get thick. So as you can see, how thick it is. Nice and lovely, guys. That is beautiful. You know what happened? I was watching someone making their porridge. I said to myself, you know what happened? I should try it, you know. But look at that. Beautiful. And this is the proper pot to make porridge in, where you can whisk it. I normally use my new pot, but got this old one. I'm gonna just use this one. Really nice. So leave that to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this has been cooking over the last good 15 minutes. Gonna put a pinch of salt in it. Just a little pinch. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna sweeten and taste as it goes along by adding the sweet condensed milk. Nice one. So the best way to do the porridge is sweeten and taste as it goes along. So we're gonna taste it now. Simple. That's perfect, because I doesn't like things too sweet. I have this one with salt, so this is good for me. So you can add your amount of salt and sweet condensed milk you like in yours when you make it at home. But I like mine like this, not too much salt and sweetness. It's perfect at the moment. Just gonna leave that for another good 5 minutes. Make it just gonna simmer. Now this is finished. I'm just gonna simply share it out and let you guys see exactly how it look. Alright, enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. So now basically this is what's gonna happen. One big bowl of porridge. Lovely and nice. You drink this in the morning. It doesn't need nothing for the rest of the day. With a nice lovely piece of hardwood bread right there. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. As you can see, Jamaican cornmeal porridge again on the menu from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.